the market is alive again. And here they are, the Israeli ducks, grown and full of energy. This breed is known for its fast growth, strong build, and curiosity. Look at those bright eyes, always alert, always ready to move. They might look calm now, but these ducks are born explorers. Just next to them, young roosters and hens, around 3 months old, still learning the ways of the world, but their feathers already show their potential. Here's a small family, a hen, a rooster, and their tiny chick. Watch this. A little piece of food drops in, and the chick rushes in for a bite. Life in its purest form. Simple, beautiful, and full of energy. Moving on to the young hens, playful and restless. Every one of them has a unique color, a unique rhythm. You can almost feel the fawn life just by watching them. And here we are again, the big ducks. Confident, calm, but always watching. They rule their little corner of the market. Look at these strong roosters, proud and fearless. Each one ready to claim his space. His voice echoing through the cages. These are miniature chickens, tiny, adorable, and surprisingly bold. Small in size, big in attitude. The sound gets louder. Nightingales and cockatiels fill the air with color and melody. Bright feathers, louder songs, nature's music at its best. Now these, the Lari chicks, with their long necks and proud stance. A powerful breed, known for strength and endurance. Even as chicks, they already look like tiny warriors. More pigeons, this time the ring-necked kind, calm, collected, and elegant. Their posture says it all. Pure confidence. Look at these baby lock rabbits. Fluffy, gentle, and absolutely adorable. Their long ears and tiny hops could melt anyone's heart. And here are the adult rabbits, calm and majestic. Some eating, some resting, each one with its own little world. They remind us how peaceful life can be if we just slow down and watch. From ducks to roosters, pigeons to rabbits, every corner of this market tells a story. A story of life, color, and pure connection with nature. This is Chicken Diary, where every creature has its moment to shine.